Alright, so you probably noticed that the basketball in the video started out, it bounced, went a little lower than when it was first dropped, a little lower, a little lower, 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 finally stopped. So we are going to focus on this image that has 7 stops along the way. Okay? Alright, so we have this diagram. I'm going to do this. And we have the types of energy. We have point 1, point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like in the image. And for the first point, this would be like somebody holding onto the ball, and it's only going to have gravitational energy. I also put a key on here. If you kind of forget what those energies are, that's what I labeled them. Usually, sometimes we try not to do EE with elastic energy because there's another EE, electrical energy, but we'll worry about that later. Alright, so we have point 2, which is along the way, so it's decreasing in gravitational energy and increasing in kinetic. Point 3, here we are. We have maximum squish before it goes up in the air, so that's your hint for what you think, which type of energy do you think is in point 3, so you're going to have to figure that out. And then we have point 4, which is all gravitational energy. So whenever you see something bouncing right before it goes back down, think of it as stopping for a split second at a new highest elevation before it starts its journey back down, and so on and so on. So here we have another max elevation, maximum elevation, maximum elevation. So with maximum elevation, you only have gravitational energy. Same with point 6, gravitational energy. So that's your hint. Well, if points 4 and 6 have only gravitational energy, what do you think 5 has? And then point 7 is kind of our question. It has stopped. Okay, you're going to have to wait a second. It's stopped, so what does that mean? None? Is it possible to have no energy whatsoever? Right, so this is a kind of an introduction to a new part of our physics unit. So it's a lot of brainstorming today, thinking about your own thoughts. So that's why we kind of have some questions here. All right, so figure out points 3 and 5.